The man accused of sexually assaulting multiple children at an Avon daycare faced a judge again in Torrington this morning. We learned on top of an assist from Homeland Security, there is a federal investigation into his alleged actions as well.
NBC Connecticut's Kevin Geis has been following this case and has the latest from Torrington.
It was a quick appearance for John Berrios Otero, but his attorney noting the massive amount of discovery that's slowing the case down just a little bit. We also learned from that attorney that the federal government is now involved with their own investigation.
John Berrios Otero back in a Torrington courtroom. He's accused of inappropriately touching 6 boys ages 3 to 5 during a month-long span. The actions captured on surveillance footage inside the now shuttered BrightPath daycare facility in Avon, according to his arrest warrant.
This is really an all-hands-on-deck situation.
The Avon Police Department continues to investigate. Berrios Otero's employment goes back to at least 2022, according to BrightPath. NBC Connecticut previously learned the Department of Homeland Security was assisting in the investigation, and the attorney for Berrios Otero today saying in court the federal government has their own parallel investigation now running.
My information indicates that it has to do with the images which were captured by Mr. Berrios Otero of sexual abuse of minors.
Attorney Eric Schoenberg with the Freeman Law Firm is representing multiple alleged victims in civil cases against BrightPath's parent company, Busy Bees. He continues to believe there are more victims and more charges coming.
The most important messaging right now is that it's still not too late to come forward.
In civil court in Hartford, 4 cases have been filed alleging not enough was done to protect these kids from Berrios Otero. Attorneys for the parent company have not commented outside court when asked. The company filed to have one of Schoenberg's civil cases dismissed, arguing they're removed from local operations, something he says flies in the face of previous promises of transparency.
Obviously, they don't want to be held responsible. This is about accountability and transparency, things which they have promised yet continue to fail to deliver.
And Berrios Otero's attorney has indicated they don't intend to comment on this case. He's due in court here in Torrington again on September 15th. In Torrington, Kevin Geis, NBC Connecticut News.